just makes me think. I've got a quote for CJ and Nate. Maybe they'd be proud. Ogres are like onions. They have lots of layers.
Ogres are like onions.
It's from Shrek. Alright, don't show that. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Christy.
And I'm Spencer, and we are spending the evening on Cochiti Lake, just outside of Santa Fe. We spent the afternoon there and had an awesome time, so we are going to cook a hearty, belly-filling meal tonight.
It's one of my favorites. We're making smoked sausage potato balls.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
As you know, this is Destination Delicious, and we travel the country cooking for you in amazing locations. We got to explore Santa Fe today. It was such a cute town. There's so many different kinds of eclectic shops and markets.
It's a very artsy town, and it was very evident everywhere we went with the vendor markets that were kind of on every street corner and the beautiful historic churches we went through. It was really a cool place to explore.
And then we had some locals suggest, we were looking for like a park to hang out and spend some time this evening, and some locals suggested that we go down the road a little bit to Cochiti Lake, which is where we are today, and it is absolutely beautiful. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is cut up our onion and get that on the griddle, and then we'll cut up our potatoes and add those.
Yep.
Now we're having a little bit of debate here. Spencer wants to dice the onions and I want to cut them up into strips. So we're gonna rock, paper, scissors this. All right, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! Slices it is.
So I lose and you get to cut up the onion?
Sure.
Sounds good to me. Now that the onion is sliced up, I'm gonna throw some oil on the griddle and get those down. Start cooking.
While the onions are cooking, I'm gonna get started with the potatoes, and I'm gonna cut them into medium-sized cubes.
Thank you for cutting those up. I'm gonna use a little oil, some pepper, and some salt. Bucking the trend today, going pepper before salt.
I didn't know that there was a...
Well, everybody always says salt and pepper.
Oh,
So I went
Pepper,
pepper and
salt.
salt, just to be different. And a little bit of Blackstone's all-purpose seasoning. Healthy dose of that for some flavor and color. And then we'll toss the seasoning all over the tablecloth. You're not making a mess. You're not cooking, are you?
Or having fun. Making a mess is half of it.
All right. And now these are going to go down right on top of our onions. Got the Blackstone set to medium high, and while the potatoes and the onions are cooking up, I'm going to get the sausage cut up. It's not going to take quite as long to cook as those are, so that's why we're putting it on after.
I sliced the red pepper into thin slivers and then I cut them in half. We'll just keep these to the side until we put them on the griddle with the sausage. Next, we've got to prep our garlic. Spencer is a garlic smashing whiz, so I'm going to let him do the garlic.
All right, our potatoes and onions are looking really good. They're coming along nicely, so it's time to get our sausage, peppers, and garlic down to start those cooking as well.
Everything is cooking up nicely and smelling fantastic. The last thing we have to do is cut up a little bit of green onion. That's going to be our topper, our garnish. So what we're going to do is combine everything into our bowls, right?
Yeah, I can just throw it all together
okay.
on the griddle.
Fantastic. All right, these look amazing. They're smelling delicious. We are gonna just sprinkle on a little bit of Parmesan on top and some green onion.
A little bit of color.
Wow.
All right, looks so good. Hungry?
Yes, very,
Right.
very, very hungry.
That is so good.
Very, very, very good. This is what, it's just, the meat, the potatoes, it's just one of those like feel good comfort food, hearty meals, easy to make it anywhere.
Parmesan tops it off nicely. Really, really good. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. We really appreciate it. Go check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Check out the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so that you don't miss anything from us, from CJ, from Nate, from Betty, from Todd, from Bruce. And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious. Enjoying deliciousness
All over the country. We will see you down the road.